How to edit videos with basic features in free software like CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit videos with basic features in CapCut, a fantastic free video editing software. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for an easy way to edit your videos, CapCut has you covered. Let's dive in. First of all, download CapCut from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once downloaded, open the app and create a new project. Then tap on New Project and select Add to import them in CapCut. To trim a clip, tap on it in the timeline, then drag the edges to adjust the length. To split a clip, move the playhead to the desired position and tap Split. To add transitions between clips, tap the small white box between two clips. Choose your desired transition effect from the list and adjust the duration if needed. Tap on a clip, then select Filters or Effects from the bottom menu. Browse through the available options and tap on the one you like to apply it to your clip. To add text, tap on Text in the bottom menu, then Add Text. Type your text, choose a font, color, and animation, and position it on the screen. Tap on Audio in the bottom menu, then Sounds. You can choose music from CapCut's library or add your own music files. Adjust the volume and trim the audio as needed. Now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.